We're here at Klutch Kickers round 1 with Davey from Hand Tight Racing.
Yes, sir. What is up, Drewski Drift fam?
How's it going, man?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'm stoked you came out here to help out and be a part of the team for this one. Really appreciate it, and hopefully we get some good results out of it. The car's feeling great. Did a shakedown last week. You can catch that on the Hand Tight Racing YouTube channel. It's pretty much ready to go.
Got a new cage in, right?
Yes, sir.
Just did a video on that cage.
New cage, new seat.
Seat looks great, man.
Yeah, man. Sawbelt really hooked it up with this one. Very comfortable.
You finally good with that position of the handbrake?
Yep, that position of the handbrake stayed pretty much the same from the last setup. I did have to drill new holes, get it in a different position because the seat is wider than the Corbeau that I had naturally. But other than that, it should be ready to rock, and we're almost ready for practice here soon. So hopefully we get some good data out of that, maybe make some changes to the car depending on how it feels, and then we'll go from there, and then qualifying next.
All right, so this is day 1, practice all day long. They haven't even opened up the track yet, so we're about to go out there and see what the bank feels like. This is a really high-speed bank entry on this layout. This is round 1, so you can go look that up if you want to see it. We'll get some in-car, top-of-car footage, show you what Davey's rocking right now. This car is set up really sweet. As you can see, he's got some sick angle on this.
Shout out FDF.
Shout out FDF. I just got FDF started on the Corvette, so.
Yeah, it's a good kit.
Yeah, he's running the Accelera 651s.
651, yep, 200 tread wear. 265s are on a small tire today.
There's a lot of people out here with that.
Yeah.
We got a lot of other drivers out here, we'll see too.
Alec Honadale, Brandon McDowell, Hurt.
Oh yeah, Hurt's driving the R32
yep,
for
Hurt's
Njuku
driving the
now,
R32
right?
for Njuku this whole season.
That's cool.
Oh, there he is right there. Shout out Hurt.
Oh, there's Hurt. guys, day 2, Freedom Factory Klutch Kickers round 1. I'm sure you can hear there's a lot going on behind me. Drivers meeting just ended and everyone is getting ready to do qualifying runs. A lot of awesome drivers here today, including, I think Chelsea signed up this morning, Adam's here, Hurt's here. Obviously, Davey and Ryan, we're gonna follow them today. Davey's in Group B and Ryan's in Group A, so we're gonna follow Ryan first for a bit and then see how Davey does after. Everyone's getting heated up, warmed up. Ryan broke an axle in the burnout box. Didn't even get to go practice and do a qualifying yet. Yeah, they're swapping it out now. Going out for his qualification run right now, but it just started raining. So for those of you who do drift, you know that wet and dry is okay to drift in, but as soon as it starts getting mixed conditions and you have spots that are wet and spots that are dry, it's extremely difficult to drift without making all sorts of corrections, and it just makes your qualification run look worse compared to those who have already done it in the dry. So we're gonna try and get him going quick before it starts getting really patchy. See how he does.
Yeah, they're about to shut it down. This shit's already puddling.
So they're shutting it down. We're all ducking under this tent here because yesterday it was a monsoon out here and the rain looks like it's about to do the same thing today. So it's just started qualifications, which sucks.
About to be a pond out there.
They just told everyone on the stands to get off the bleachers because it's going to attract lightning. But it looks like they're still running. Adam's going right now. nice, cool battles. Rough first couple of days with the weather going on, but overall fun. Can't wait to see you guys in round 2. We'll be